Good evening everyone, this is me Kriti from grade 6A and today I'm going to explain you what a fraction. What a fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Basically it has a numerator and a denominator. Numerator is like the upper part of the fraction and denominator is the lower part of the fraction. Let's take 1 by 8. So here 1 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. And here what are the types of fraction? Fraction has 7 types. Basically it has 7 types. So the first type is proper fraction, and second is improper, like, unlike, and then it's mixed fraction, it's unit fraction, and then the last one is equivalent fraction. So let's talk about proper fraction. So what are proper fraction? Proper fraction is just um, some fraction which is having a small denominator, a small numerator are called proper fraction, and the fraction which is having small denominator are called improper fraction. So let's take an example. 1 by, yeah, let's take that only, 1 by 8, and let's take another example which is 16 by 14. Yeah, so here 1 by 8, in this 1, the numerator 1 is smaller than the denominator, so it is a proper fraction. And the second example, which is 16 by 14, 16 means the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so it is an improper fraction. After that we have like and unlike fraction. Like fraction, we can't consider a like fraction just in a single fraction. We have to take a group of fractions, more than 2. Like let's take 2 by 8, 2 by 8, 2 by 6, 3 by 9, and 4 by 14. So here what we have: 2 by 8, 2 by 6, 3 by 9, and 4 by 14. So these are not like fractions, these are unlike fraction, because here 2 by 8 we have, so 8 is a one digit number, and then we have 6, this is also one digit, and then we have 9 which is one digit. But at the last I told that we have 4 by 14. 14 is a two digit number, and that only a proper and improper fraction means that a group of fraction which is having the same number of denominator, like same digits of denominator, are called as like fraction, and the opposite one, which is like not having the same numbers of digits in the denominator, are called unlike fractions. I give an example of unlike fraction, and like that only we can take another example of like fraction. Like fraction means 2 by we have taken only 2 by 8, 2 by 6, and 2 by 9. No, 3 by 9. These three are like fraction. If we take only these three, these are like fraction, and when we include that 4 by 14, then the whole group became unlike fraction. Now what we have? We have mixed fraction. Mixed fraction is concludes, or it includes a whole, like 2 whole 1 by 3. 2 is a whole and 1 by 3 is a fraction. 2 plus 1 by 3 is equal to a mixed fraction, which is 2 whole 1 by 3. And then we have equivalent fraction. Equivalent means equal. So let's take an example of 2 by 3. 2 by 3, when we multiply 2 into 2 or 3 into 2, we have to multiply by the same number, both side, up and down. So 2 by 3, so 2 into 2 and 3 into 2, so 2 we have 4, and by 6, so 4 by 6. This is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. As we can cut 4 by 6 by 2, we will get 2/3 only. So these are the equivalent fraction. So now unit fraction. The word unit means one, single, one. So by this word only we can understand that unit fraction is a fraction which is having 1 as the numerator and denominator can be anything. So note that there is a rule that it can be, let's suppose a fraction which is p by q. So here p can be 0 but q is equal to not 0. P can't be 0. So we can't write that there is a fraction 2 by 0. We can write fraction 0 by 2 but we can't write that 2 by 0. 0 by 2 means 2 because 0 parts are shaded. Like let's take a circle. Nothing is shaded, so 0 by 2. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day. I hope that the the thing which I explained to you is clear. It's the crystal clear to you. So thank you and have a nice day.